So now we're at a jog. So you can pick up a bit of speed to jog, but we'll take it easy. There's a lot of people here. And then there's a run. We won't do run because run's a bit harder to control. You need a bit of room, right? We're running over.
Your legs here.
No, not unless you've got 120,000 bucks on you. If you do, we'll give you 120,000. Well, that's what they are now. So this is the iPhone 2 of robots, right? Wait till we get to iPhone 20. Yeah? And we'll be there in a couple of years. 12 hours of user time, 60 minutes to reload. 60 minutes. That's very good. It's a lot better than your average remote control car, that's for sure. Yeah. And a very intuitive and simple controller. So if it falls onto its side, it'll self-right onto its back or its stomach. If it self-rights onto its back, then I push the rollover function, it'll go back onto its stomach and stand up. Yeah, so really good.